Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to your English class. Yesterday, you read the story on how the tiger got its stripes. We also answered the questions. Now, let's move further on with this by describing the characters by understanding their physical attributes and personality. So, let's get started. The three characters in the story are tiger, water buffalo and man. Learners, take a moment to pause and think. Try to recall yesterday's story. How did the tiger behave in the story? What did the tiger want? What did the tiger do? Was the water buffalo a good friend to the tiger? Did he give him some friendly advice? Was he rude to him? How was the man? Was he afraid when he saw the tiger? Was he shaky? Did he act wisely or did he give in easily? Was the tiger embarrassed at the end or was he foolish enough to believe the man? So, you can answer these questions which will help you to understand the personality of these three characters in our story. To simplify things for you, I have done one table which shows you the physical appearance of the tiger and his personality. Physical appearance. How did the tiger look? He had shiny yellow coat, a plain shiny yellow coat at the beginning, but at the end of the story it was covered with black stripes. He had sharp claws and strong teeth. He was very proud of that. He was ferocious looking with big eyes and a large head. He had muscular body with strong legs and tail. Personality-wise, he was very bold. He approached the man boldly because he wanted wisdom from man. He was curious. He wanted to find out what was wisdom and how was it helpful to him. He was foolish enough and believed the man when man told him that he had left wisdom at home. He was also quite loud and noisy in his approach. So in this way, for the other two characters also, for the man and water buffalo, you can also make this table on a piece of paper or in your book. So you will have an idea as to how they looked and what was their personality like. The table shown here will give you an idea for the words that you can use to describe the personality of the three characters. So, nice has bright, cheerful, caring, charming. Mean, angry, bossy, cruel and so on. Sad, positive, negative, confident and anxious. These are the different personality traits. How we behave, how we put ourselves across to others. And these are the adjectives that describe it. So depending upon the character, you can use some of these words or maybe you can choose to use the words of your own choice. After you are done with that short exercise, you can move forward to this new one. In your book, you have to draw a box in the middle and write tiger. I have a picture of a tiger, but you can write tiger, and by the side, the left side and the right side, you can draw two boxes each. The first box is what tiger looks like. Second, what tiger does. Third, what tiger thinks or says. And the last one, how does the tiger feel? I have just given you an example. You can modify it or rephrase it. It has to be in words and short sentences, not something very long. So what tiger looks like? He's strong, ferocious, confident, proud of the strong teeth, sharp claws and paws. What tiger does? He goes to man to get wisdom. What tiger thinks or says? He orders man to give him wisdom and he's foolish enough to believe that man has left wisdom at home. How tiger feels? In the end, tiger is embarrassed as he has black stripes on his beautiful yellow coat and all other animals do make fun of him. As I have done the first one, learners, you can follow and do the other two about the water buffalo, and the man. So you have to describe all these four using your own words or maybe short sentences or phrases. Here comes your last activity for the lesson today. After you are done with the table, what you have to do is you have to compile those words or phrases into long, meaningful, descriptive sentences. Because here we are writing the character description. We are describing each character. That means you need to use a lot of creative words, vocabulary, adjectives in your sentences. So you can put all the words, all the phrases that you have written for each character in the earlier boxes as shown in the earlier slide and compile them into meaningful sentences. This activity can be done and uploaded on Edmodo. Alright learners, bye, take care.